Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make your Twitter account private. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started. It's actually super easy to do. Top left corner, you should see settings and support. Under that, settings and privacy. Click that. And once you're here in the setting, you will go to privacy and safety. Yeah. And then click audience and tagging. And then at the top, you can see protect your tweets. It says only show your tweets to only people who follows you. And if selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So basically a private account. So if you want to enable that, that's it. Then you have a private account. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.